Namaste students. Students, in previous class we have learnt addition in measures of mass and subtraction in measures of mass. After this we can go for mixed sum problems. In mixed sum problems we are doing addition and subtraction both. Okay, so first we can do addition and then afterwards we can subtraction. So first read the questions here. In that questions having first total will be there, afterwards how much they are used in the total. First we can find out the total which we spend, then subtract in the total. So this type of questions will be in the mixed sum problems. First, Rohini bought 55 kg 875 grams of wheat flour. She has purchased 5 kg 55 kg 875 grams of wheat flour. Wheat flour means godi hittu. Okay, so she used 12 kg 380 grams of it. She has to use it for making that puri, or they can using chapatis. So they are using, she has used to, so 12 kg 380 grams of it, and then 3 kg 250 grams of flour fell down. So it is fell down. So 3 how much kg? 3 kg 250 grams of flour fell down. How much flour is left with her? How much flour is left with her? First two, she can use the floor, and then how much is fell down, so we can adding that is the total weight of she has to spend. First we have to find out the total weight of the wheat flour she has to use. So first taken that Rohini used flour. What is the how much she has to use? She is used, write the units kg and grams. So 12 kg 380 grams of wheat she has used, and then flour fell down. Flour fell down. Flour fell down. How much flour is fell down? 3 kg. How much? 3 kg 250 grams of kg it is fell down. First they can adding. So this is the total wheat flour she has used. 0 3 1 carry 8 plus 5 13 1 carry 3 plus 1 4 4 plus 2 6 6 5 1 15 kg 630 kg she has to use. Okay, spend floor, spent floor total, the weight of total wheat flour she is used. Wheat flour she is used 15 kg 630 grams of wheat she has used. Then afterwards, so we should find out the she has to use what is the what is she has, but how much the weight of wheat flour, the total the weight of the wheat flour, the weight of wheat flour, wheat flour, how much is she has to purchase? How much she has purchased? 55 kg. How much? 875 gram. 875 gram. 875 grams of wheat she has to purchase. It is gram, it is kg. Then spend wheat flour. Spend wheat flour. How much she has to use? Wheat flour. She is using wheat flour 15 kg, 630 grams of 630 gram she has to use. How much is remaining? We can subtract it. 5 less 0, 5, 7 less 3, 4, 8 less 6, 2, 5 less 5, 0, 40, 5 less 1, 4. Okay, 40 kg, 200, 45 grams of wheat flour is left with her. Grams of is left with her. Is left with her. So this type of questions is mixed some problems. First we can adding. So which is how much wheat flour she has to used. Okay. Then she has to use it. Then after that, okay, then find out the total she has to purchase weight of the wheat flour. So 55 kg, 870 gram. It is the total. And then she has to spend 15 kg, 30 grams of wheat flour. She has to use it. How much is remaining? 40 kg. We can subtract it. 40 kg, 245 grams of wheat flour she has to with her. So next one. Second one question. Observe this. It is very interesting question. Second one. Okay. The weight of a bag containing rice, sugar, and dal. Look at this. This is a bag. Okay. The bag containing rice. Next, sugar, then dal. The three items are there in the bag. So they are given was 27 kg, 455. Okay. Sugar was, so what is the weight of the bag? 27 kg, 455 grams of the weight of the bag. This is the total weight of the bag. In this bag, if the weight of the rice was 5 kg, the weight of the rice is 5 kg. Weight 5 kg, whatever it may be, 5 kg, 5 kg, 275 grams. Next, the weight of sugar is 7 kg, 7 kg, 757 gram. So the question is asking, find the weight of the dal. Find the weight of the dal. What is the weight of the dal? So this is the question. The total weight is given 27 kg, 455 grams of the total weight of the bag. The bag containing rice, sugar, dal. First, what we do, how to find out the dal weight? So first, we can adding rice and sugar. First, we can add the total weight of the rice and sugar. First, we should add it, and then total weight of the bag is what? 27 kg, 455 grams of weight. So we can subtract it. We get the dal weight. Okay. So now, first, the weight of rice. The weight of rice. How much? Kg and gram. Kg, how much is kg? 5 kg, 275 gram. Next, the weight of sugar. How much is sugar? 7 kg, 757 gram. Add. Okay. 12, 1 carry, 13, 1 carry, 10, 1 carry, 13 kg, 32 gram. 13 kg, 32 gram. This is the weight of sugar and rice. Okay, the weight of sugar and rice. This is the weight of 13 kg, 32 gram. So can we check it once again? Answer 7 plus 5, 12. 1 carry. 7, 8, 8 plus 5, 13, 1 carry. 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. So 1 carry, 7 plus 6, 13. Okay, so now the weight of bag. The weight of bag. What is the weight of the bag? Bag is 27 kg. Yes. 27 kg. How much? 455 gram. 455 grams of the total weight of the bag. So we can find out the weight of sugar, and what is the weight of? The weight of sugar and rice. Sugar and rice. What is the weight of sugar and rice? So weight of the sugar and rice, what is that? 13 kg. Okay. 32 grams. Now we can subtract it. We get the answer. 5 less 2, 3. 5 less 3, 2. 4 less 0, 4. 7 less 3, 4. 1. 14 kg. 400 23 grams of the dal weight is the dal weight is the dal weight is 14 kg 423 gram. So this is the mixed sum problems. So remaining problems I will give third one, fourth one, fifth one, same like this. First addition and then subtract it. Which one we can do addition, which one we can subtract it. First we can total has to be find out which is the fine total, then afterwards we can do further addition, then we have get the answer. So okay students, I hope all of you understand that these two questions. Okay, students, I will send the homework exercise 11F, remaining three questions, third one, fourth one, fifth one. Okay, I hope all of you can do this. Okay, thank you, students. Dhanyavad.